Too hot for my hat. Too hot for my hat. I'm too hot. Alright, yeah, let's fill these seats up.
Yeah.
Oh, Señor Don Gato was a cat on a high red roof. Don Gato sat. He sat there to read a letter. Meow, meow, meow. Where the reading light was better. Meow, meow, meow. 'Twas a love note for Don Gato. She was fluffy, white, and nice and fat, nice and proud. And there was no sweeter kitty, meow, 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 in the country or the city, meow, meow, meow. And she said she'd wed Don Gato. That didn't come out of my mouth. Oh, Don Gato jumped so happily. He fell off the roof and broke his knee. Broke his ribs and all his whiskers. Meow, meow, meow. And his little solar plexus. Meow, meow, meow. Ay, caramba, cried Don Gato. Let's hear him cry, ay, caramba. Oh, the doctors all came on the run just to see if something could be done. And they held a consultation, meow, 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 about how to save their patient. It's a tricky beat. How to save Señor Don Gato. But in spite of everything they tried, poor Señor Don Gato up and died. It's not that one coming. But it wasn't very merry. Meow, meow, meow. Going to the cemetery.
Meow, meow, meow.
For the ending of Don Gato. To the stud cat meows. As the funeral passed, Gorge-ous Coffee. That doesn't really rhyme. That's your idea.
Smell the brewing
Alright. As the funeral passed the market square, such a smell of fish was in the